Die Cutting Essentials magazine. This is number 68. And it has, as you know, they do such a wonderful job with these magazines because you always get something extra special. And this is the Luscious Lilies. This is an edge and an outline cutting die. And you might think that it's a one-trick pony, but it's not, as I'm about to show you. But you can see it right here on a gatefold card. And there are ideas, of course, not there, but in the magazine. So let's just get started. Okay, so here are some hints and tips for using that cutting die. Again, it will cut within a space, and then you can use the other die, that outside die, to make your mat as wide or as narrow as you like. And that's a really nice feature. And I was, quite frankly, so surprised with all the things that you can do with these cutting dies. For instance, look at that, in a circle, doing it at the bottom and at the top. I thought that was brilliant. I thought this was really an interesting. There is what we might expect, but really nice to see. Here we have more. I thought this was a really fun and bright color combination too. There's an easel card, again, using it and cutting the pieces apart, which is something we don't always talk about with cutting dies, but it's a really good idea. It just lets your cutting die do double duty. And this is a technique based on dry embossing. And while it's not using the lilies, it is an excellent technique. And I love the fact that they've got step-by-step photos. So that was really nice to have. Here we're back to the lilies and just lots of different things. Again, a wreath. Ooh, that's pretty at the top of a card. In fact, that card could stand up. We have some more things you can see with some having it go around a little treat, doing the top of a box on top front of a inexpensive bag just is gorgeous. So that's nice. Get a $1 bag and turn it into a $20 gorgeous piece. Now here's more. Oh, this is cute, with love from lockdown. So that's a little bit about Christina Griffins, who is the designer of Card Making Magic. Again, this is just many layers of that edging. So even though it's a straight piece, you can make it go into a circle. Very pretty in the middle of a card, as that shows you. And here we have this. I thought this was really fun. It's called Faux Quilting and Weaving. And really, it's using those scraps. You know how you save those? You put them in pieces, you never use them, but here are some excellent ideas. I thought that was just lovely, just cutting them into squares, or you can die cut them into circles. And I thought this was just a really fun collection. How to create a faux quilted pattern. There you go. And just really a fun idea. And that's another benefit of the magazines. You're going to get a lot of designers' ideas. Here is more using the lilies and getting in some more color and some different color combinations. And that's fun to have them come out around a circle with a message on it. I thought this was very striking and just very fun to see. It just makes everything so valuable. So, Die Cutting Essentials with a very beautiful and unique cutting die, the Luscious Lilies. This is issue number 68, and it is in stock now, and it's exclusively here at paperwishes.com.